Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to take a look at this EP02 tool bag that was very kindly supplied to me by Exduct. Thank you very much, guys. So what do we have here exactly? Well, we have a 2-layer bag that is MOLLE compatible, as you can see here. It is quite nicely made. It feels like it's made from Cordura or some other nylon material. It's very nice actually. We have a little elasticated pocket at the front here. Hopefully you can see that. So you can get a mobile phone in there. Let's see if I can get mine in there. Yes, it'll take my Huawei P9. Obviously it needs some adjustment on the strap there, but it will take it, so that's good. What else we got? We have a little pocket right at the front here. What can we get in there, I wonder? Let's try a tactical pen. Goes in there quite nicely. We've got this little screwdriver here, little pocket screwdriver. Fits in there a treat too. And then we have flashlight. And that will go in there too. So it's, you can get quite a few bits and pieces in there then, guys. Okay then, so before we go any further with the bag, I would just like to thank Exduct for sending along this little Sanrenmu multi-tool here. It is the GJ033Z. Let's take a bit of a look at this, shall we? I wasn't expecting this to come along, so thank you very much to Exduct for sending it over. Sanrenmu, of course, so we know it's quality there. As I say, this is the GJ033. I actually have a review of the previous model, which is the same thing basically, just renamed, the GJ017D. You can find that on my channel, a review of that on my channel. So please go along, take a look at that review, and it will show you exactly what this interesting little tool will do. If you want one of these from Exduct, you can use my special discount code NAS50FF, as shown at the bottom of the screen here, and that will give you a very nice 5% discount. Okay then, pop that there just there for a second. Let us have a look exactly what you can get inside this bag, shall we? So there are 2 compartments. Let's try the top compartment. Haha, so we've got something in there then, guys. Let's have a look. What's this? Little screwdriver. Is there anything else in here? Yes, there is. Haha, okay then. This was also sent to me by Exduct. Thank you very much once again, Exduct. And it is a knife sharpening kit. And I will be taking a look at this in a future review and hopefully showing you how to sharpen a knife with it. I've not actually used one of these before, guys, but thank you very much to Exduct for sending it along. I will be having a play with it and I will be bringing you a review of this kit. Right, so let's take a look at this in a bit further detail, shall we, guys? As I say, we've got a an elasticated pocket on the front, which is closed with this little snap here. You can put a screwdriver, a pen or whatever in the front. And inside the front pocket, you can see we've got plenty of room in here. And we've also got, it's separated by a little net here, a little net pocket, so you can get some whatever you want in there too. In the back rear pocket, back pocket, we've also got a little sort of pocket, you know, separator in there as well. It is quite nicely padded in the back here. This section is got some thin padding in here as well, guys, and the front section is also padded too, so it should protect anything you put in there quite nicely as well. You've got MOLLE on the back, so it's fully MOLLE compatible, nice quality too. These are quite stiff, so once you weave it amongst your other MOLLE webbing, it should be quite strong. It's really thick and quite sturdy. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 6 slots here for it to go through, so you've got plenty of adjustment available. And if you was to configure it in the correct way, you should also be able to get it on your belt as well, so you could carry it on a belt in this way. What else could we get into these pockets then? Let's try my phone for a start. Phone goes in there quite nicely, as you can see, nicely protected. In the back here you can also get, like my wallet here, my go-to wallet will go in there too. Look, it'll fit in the little pocket there. And you can also carry all sorts of other things. You could probably get a knife in there too, bit of a first aid kit in there, all sorts of stuff that you would like to carry, like say a little bit of duct tape wrapped around an old credit card, shall we say. Whatever you like to carry around with you, you can basically get in this little bag here, guys. It's quite a nice little thing. It's quite well made. I think what we ought to do is take a look at a few dimensions. It's not the easiest thing to measure because it's all baggy, but I measured it at 170 millimeters here, 130 millimeters this away, and as near as I could measure it, because I say it will change depending on what you got in here really, but 50 mil thick. That's when it was a bit fluffed out. I'm sure that measurement would change a little bit when it's flat, like so. So flat like this, 35 millimeters. But I say it depends on how you have it, whether you have it like, however you want to measure it, whether it's got air in it or whatever, I don't know. It changes, so let's go 35 millimeters completely flat. But if you want to fluff it up a little bit like I did, then I measured it at 50 mil. So these are funny things to measure actually. It's quite good quality, it's quite solid. Let's check it on the scales. So it's 4 3/4 of an ounce, or 133 grams. So it's not a lightweight by any means. It's quite nice, quite nicely made, and I think fairly good quality too. So you might be looking for a nice little bag like this here, maybe to carry your phone around, a wallet, a few other bits and pieces, as I say, like a bit of a first aid kit or whatever. It is MOLLE compatible, so it will attach to your MOLLE webbing quite nicely, quite strong, quite well made. It currently retails for, let me have a look, he said getting his notes, $9.98 at the moment. What I'll do is I'll put you a link in the descriptive text below. You can go along and check out the price and availability in your country from that link. A quick conversion brought that to about £8.91. If you use NAS50FF, that will get you a very nice 5% off, guys. Very nice indeed. So let me just thank Exduct once again for sending this along. Cheers guys, thank you very much, do appreciate it. Thank you for supporting the channel. It was quite a surprise to get this Sanrenmu multi-tool here. Very nice indeed. I know where that will be going, into my EDC kit. They also included these little sharpeners here too, guys. 2 little sharpeners. Mrs. Rathbone's got her eye on this one here to go in the kitchen so she can sharpen her carving knife. Another knife she's got in there which are apparently never sharp. So what I'll be doing is I'll be reviewing these at some very near point in the future as well, so we can see how well they sharpen a knife up. Alright then guys, so if you're looking for a very handy little bag like this, I think this one could be ideal for you. So we've got the elasticated front panel here. You don't have to keep your phone in the front part of it. You can keep it in one of the main compartments here, because I say they are quite nicely padded. It is made from some very nice materials. I'm just trying to think of a con to it, to be honest with you, but I can't. Oh, you got a little tab here, I forgot about that, little tab, so you could put a carabiner through here and hang it off of something like your belt, or a belt loop, or a part of your backpack or something. If you haven't got MOLLE on your backpack, you could hang it with a carabiner. I think this is a reasonably good quality bag actually, guys, and I can highly recommend it. Yeah, I mean you could put your flashlight in here. You've got a thin enough flashlight, you can carry a flashlight or a pen. You can carry a notepad in the front here. You can carry your wallet, your phone, first aid kit, whatever you like to EDC. you can carry in here. I think it might be a little bit big for a pocket. Let's just find out. This is what I would describe as a standard jeans pocket. Let's have a look. Oh, it will go in there. That's nice. That's good. So you could actually carry it in your pocket as well, guys, in your jeans pocket. It'll go in there a treat, actually. So as I say, what I will do is I'll put you some links in the descriptive text below to the bag, the little knife sharpeners, the Sanrenmu tool, and also this here knife sharpening tool, which Exduct were very kind enough to send along. I will be experimenting with it, and I will be doing a review on it. But so far all I've been able to do sharpen knives is with you know, the old-fashioned stones like my late father used to use. So something like this is brand new for me to look at. So I will be having an experiment with this probably tomorrow morning, and then I'll do a review so you guys can come along and take a look at it, see how well I can sharpen tools, knives the modern way, not the old-fashioned way with stones, but the modern way with one of these little fellows. Product links for all you see here will be available in the descriptive text below. Just click on those links, visit the company and see what you think, see what availability and price is like in your country. So thank you once again to Exduct for supporting the channel. Thank you very much. If you wish to support my channel, please feel free to subscribe. You can click like and you can share it with your friends. By doing this, you will be telling YouTube exactly what you want to watch. Okay, guys? So if you like watching knife reviews, bag reviews, etc., just click a like and it will show YouTube what you want to watch. You can also follow me on Instagram. You'll have seen this lot on Instagram already. There's my Google+. The channel is also helped out by crowdfunding. I enjoy doing these reviews. They do take a bit of effort to do, guys, but you can help the channel by subscribing to my Patreon page. This helps the channel quite a lot, guys. Thank you very much to everyone who's doing so already. Okay then, guys, so if you're looking for a little bag like this to carry kit around in, check it out. Check it out on Exduct. Quite a nice little bag, actually. Please let me know what you think of the bag. You can leave your comments down below. I will read them all. I am a bit busy, so whether I get back to you or not is another thing, but I do try to get back to everyone. So thank you for everyone who's left comments already. If you've got any suggestions, please leave those down below too, guys. So yeah, let me know what you think of the bag and the review. Thank you very much to Exduct. I say this is going into my EDC kit ASAP. I like this. Alright then, guys, well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for popping over to Rathbone Manor once again. I do hope you enjoyed the review, and I will see you back here in the near future then. Laters!